explain to me why guys in this generation are getting more and more lazy to court girls? Is it...
Ako po sasagot. First question, is it generational? Possibly. But not entirely the reason. There's a lot of changes that already happened throughout generations. So, it is a factor. Pero hindi yun yung entire reason kung bakit. Isang pwede nating ipasok na dahilan dyan is social media. But I'm not gonna dig deep into it. I think meron naman kayong idea kapag sinabi nating social media is a factor kung bakit nawala yung ligaw na concept. I think meron kayong idea kung bakit. Next is kung tatanggalin natin yung ligaw, no, na concept or word, yung bringing you to dates, chocolates, roses, etc. A lot of those things are very, very easy to do. Napakadali lang nun. The question is, sino-sino yung mga babae na worthy makatanggap ng ganitong klaseng treatment? Because I know, you know, na hindi lahat deserve yun. You know that. Kaya kung usapang purely intentions and purely treatment lang, that's very easy to do, especially for a guy who is a gentleman. Another problem is this. Kapag binalik natin yung ligaw as a whole, as the concept, no, before all of those things, men will make themselves exclusive to women kapag nanliligaw sila. And women aren't required to be exclusive kapag nililigawan pa lang sila. Correct? I don't think that's being lazy, quote and unquote. It's more of protecting genuine hearts. Kasi ako, for example, maliligaw ako sa babae na to. Automatically, equated, I want to be exclusive to this girl kapag gusto kitang ligawan. Yes or no? Yes. Pag babae naman ang nagpaligaw, they are not required to be exclusive. You can entertain other men as well. Yun ang concept ng ligaw. So, protecting a genuine heart is what? Ayoko na makipagsabayan dyan. Kasi concept speaking, unfair na kaagad sa lalaki na ikaw ang only option ko. Ako pang ilan. Exactly. Now, we are talking about not settling for less. Correct? Yun ang pinipreach ng mga content creator na babae dito sa social media. Do not settle for less, ladies. Even ako, sinasabi ko rin sa mga babae yan. But, same goes for men. Why would men settle for less as well? Na maging option lang sila. Because in today's time and age, maraming possibilities na itong babae na gusto mong ligawan, may kausap sa dating app, mga 3. May kausap sa Facebook, 2. May kausap sa IG na nag-DM dun, 3. Tapos ikaw mandiligaw ka. Lugi ka na dun pa lang. Another point is, let's not waste time. Do you like me? Because I like you. If your answer is yes, then we can enter the talking stage para magkakilala tayo on a surface level, and then let's enter exclusivity para mas makilala natin yung isa't isa on a deeper level. And let's think it through. If our connection is relationship worthy, mas okay na yun. At least, panatag tayong pareho na ikaw lang ang gusto ko at ako lang ang gusto mo at wala na tayong ine-entertain na ibang tao. Kasi exclusive dating pa lang, you can already weigh if this person is what? Loyal, faithful, etc. So no, it's not about being lazy. It's about ligaw. The concept of ligaw is too risky for men. Kumbaga kasi sa simple analogy ng pinapatalon mo na ako, ikaw maghihintay ka muna kung may mas better bang sasabay sa pagtalon mo. Gets mo? Because trust me, kung exclusivity ang usapan, you'll get the treatment. If you want me to be an option para may pagpilian ka ba, I'll make you one too. Nice.